Marriage is traditionally viewed as a union between two people based on love, commitment, and mutual support. It carries cultural, legal, and emotional significance, and in many societies, it is seen as a foundation for building a family. However, when we talk about early marriage, the situation changes. Early marriage refers to the practice of individuals marrying before reaching adulthood. So, here we will discuss about early marriage.
Underage marriage is an issue that affects millions of children in Indonesia. Early marriage, the union of individuals before they reach the legal age of adulthood, remains a prevalent issue in many societies. This practice carries significant consequences for both individuals and communities. Today, we are diving into the reason behind early marriage and the serious consequence it has on young people's life. Underage marriage happens when individuals, often too young and unprepared, enter into marriage. The consequence of underage marriage is very much, such as young brides often face physical and emotional challenges, including early pregnancy, childbirth complications, domestic violence, and economic. They are also deprived of their right to education and opportunities for personal growth.
Why do so many children get married early? For many, unprotected sexual intercourse leads to pregnancy, poverty, and early marriage. Other reasons include financial instability and cultural norms that pressure young people to marry. In some cases, parents view marriage as a way to establish household burdens, believing the husband will financially support the child. Early marriage also has various harmful effects on teenagers, one of which is on physical and mental health. The risk faced by young women who experience unwanted pregnancies at an insufficient age can lead to complications because they are not ready for pregnancy. If left unaddressed, this can result in premature childbirth, low birth weight, stunting, and in several cases, even maternal and infant mortality. Sexually transmitted infections are also a negative consequence of early marriage, stemming from a lack of knowledge about the dangers of sex, which makes teenagers vulnerable to various types of STI, including HIV/AIDS. Lastly, cervical cancer has been shown in several studies to be linked to early marriage with an increasing incidence.
The impact of early marriage is severe for girls. Early pregnancy can lead to complications like premature birth, low birth weight, and even death of the mother. Physically, they are not ready. Mentally, they struggle with adult responsibilities, which can lead to emotional and physical abuse. Early marriage also disrupts education, limit future work opportunities, and often closes poverty. In Indonesia, the government has laws to protect children from early marriage, but the law enforcement is weak, and many people still ask for marriage dispensation from the court. Culture and religious views can also make it difficult to end this practice. However, in spite of these challenges, there is still hope.
Pernikahan dini atau dispensasi ini harus segera ditekan oleh kita bersama. Tanggung kita bersama, tanggung jawab pemerintah daerah, termasuk pemuka masyarakat, pemuka agama, dan kita semua.
To prevent early marriages, we must raise awareness, educate parents, and enforce existing laws. NGOs and local leaders play a key role in spreading the message about the dangers of early marriage and the importance of education. Law number 23 of 2002 on child protection prohibits child exploitation, including early marriage, and ensures children's rights. The BKBN recommends that women marry at 21 and men 25. While Indonesia has strong regulations, law enforcement is weak, and parents still seek marriage dispensations for their children. This policy needs critical